In the video for today, I'm going to show you two methods to send WhatsApp messages without saving the contact on your phone. So, under normal circumstances, you would have to save the contact so that you could start messaging him or her through WhatsApp, simply because of the fact that the application could tell you whether or not that person is on WhatsApp or no. So if that person is not on WhatsApp, you get an option to send that person an invite so that they download the application and you could start communicating with them. So that is like a marketing stunt for me that WhatsApp is doing. But these days we have a lot of smart features on our Android smartphones that could actually bypass that, and you could start messaging any and everybody who is on WhatsApp without even saving the contact info. So the first method is very simple and easy. All you have to do is get hold of your phone, open the Chrome browser or Firefox or whatever it is, and get to Google, do a search for wa.me/ and paste the number out here, right? And then do a search. Once you do a search, you're going to get directed to this page. Click on this tab, open app. You get a pop-up like this. If you're using two WhatsApp accounts or normal WhatsApp and WhatsApp for business, select the account you want to use to communicate with this person. Select just once, and then you're going to be directed to this page to send a message to that person directly. So you could see that this number is not saved, but still I'm able to message this person. The second method is something you may just already know, but let me tell you. You could get to Google Play and download Truecaller. You install and open the application, and then you're going to see the contact out here. Okay. So you could just select that contact, and if you scroll down, you are going to get an option to message the person directly through your normal WhatsApp account or WhatsApp for business. Okay, you get to the same thing. I hope this was helpful. If you did get some value, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.